Hello, dear Scorpio. This is your additional card, Aksum. The energy focus of this card is manifestation, and the location is Tigray region, Ethiopia. So the exercise that is for this card is the next one. Our world is made of energy, so the more power you put into a thought, the more that thought will grow, becoming real. The purpose of this exercise is to create your own sacred arc and use it as a tool to connect all that is sacred to your path, enhancing your attributes and manifesting your desires. So first, list your best attributes on a piece of paper. Then decorate a small box, your personal arc, which you will use to contain the energies of all your good points. Now find a secret place to store the box. Before you place it, clear the space, first by lighting sage or using a clearing spray. You may like to light candles as you place your arc there and perhaps to cover the box in velvet cloth. However you wish to sanctify your arc, know that the universe is ready to enhance all that is placed within it, giving it due respect and enabling you to grow fully into who you have become here to be. So, creating a sacred arc is for you, Scorpio. I hope you enjoy doing this exercise. Lots of love and guidance. Goodbye.